friends, so we are going to work on changing words by changing one of the sounds in a word. Before we do that though, let's take a look at our ABC chart. I want you to read the ABC chart with me, and we are only going to read it by saying the sound or sounds that the letters say. Ready? A, B, K, S, D, E, F, G, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, so let's look at our word ladder. Right now it's empty. We are going to start with the word has. Has. Ass. And we are going to change one letter or one sound in the word has to make it a new word. The new word is going to be had. Think about that. What letter do we need to change to make has? Say had. We're going to change the S. We're going to change the final sound. D. What letter makes the D sound? D. There's the word had. Let's change it again. We had has. Now we have had. I want to see if we can change one sound in the word had to make it say hid. Hid. Do we need to change the beginning, the middle, or the ending sound to make the word hid? Yes, the middle sound. So my beginning and ending are going to stay the same. What vowel do I need to make it say hid? I. Very good. Has, had, hid. My new word is bid. Bid. Which one are we going to change? The H, right. And we're going to change it from an H to what letter? Bid. B. B. B makes the B sound. B. Id. And the rest of our word stays the same. All right, let's change it one more time. Instead of bid, we're going to write the word bin. Like I have a bin of things. Bin. Are we going to change the beginning, the middle, or the ending sound? The ending, very good. So we're going to keep the beginning and the middle the same. B, I, N. Change the D to an N. Bin. Good job, friends. Let's read through our word ladder. Has, had, hid, bid, bin. Very good. We could keep going. I'm going to challenge you. I want you to get a piece of paper and write the word bin, B-I-N, and see if you can change one letter to make a new word. All right, friends. Good luck.